This is our CHEFMAN air fryer toaster oven. Stainless. We had this for about a year now. Busy family of 5. This toaster oven is very efficient. We put everything in here. Pizzas, French fries, nuggets. The kids love a lot of nuggets. Electronic touchscreen. Really nice. You can dial everything in up here. Bake it, slow cook. I even toast my bread in this oven. This thing is pretty sweet, guys. Really good investment. Yeah. Got the basket. Really nice oven. Works really well. Haven't had any problems with it. The Chef air fryer toast oven.